Welcome to the speaking section of IELTS examination. My name is Sapna Dhameja and today I will be your examiner for this part of the test. This test will be recorded. What is your full name?
My name is Gursirat Kaur.
How may I call you?
You may call me Sirat.
May I see your identification, Sirat?
Yes, sure.
Okay. Are you working or a student?
I am a student.
What are you doing in studies?
I have currently completed my class 12th and now I am planning to go abroad for my higher studies.
Where do you come from?
I come from a small town, Tohana.
Okay, few questions will be based on laughing. Do you like to watch movies or TV shows that make people laugh?
Yes, of course, I like to watch comedy shows that make me laugh. For example, the very famous show, Kapil Sharma Show.
Do you usually make your friends laugh?
Actually, no, I don't have a good sense of humor, so I can't make my friends laugh. But whenever we get together, we laugh on many different things.
Are you kind of person who makes people laugh?
As I told you earlier that I don't have a good sense of humor, so I can't make people laugh.
Do you think it is important to laugh with friends?
Yes, of course, it is very important to laugh with friends. It releases tension from our mind and it makes us feel fresh.
Three questions based on spending time by yourself. Do you usually spend time by yourself?
Yes, I spend time by myself. I like to be isolated and do activities such as listening to music whenever I am alone.
What did you do last time you were by yourself?
Last time when I was alone in my room, I played harmonium.
Okay. Do you like spending time by yourself?
Yes, I like spending time by myself. I like it because it gives me a chance to introspect myself and I can know more about myself.
How do you usually spend time by yourself?
Whenever I am alone in my room, I listen to music, I play harmonium or I read books.
This is your cue card and you will be given 1 minute to prepare your answer. You can make notes. You will have to speak 2 minutes on this topic. Okay, Sirat, you may start now.
It is the duty of parents to impart morality in their children, but today many children at tender age do not know how to behave with their elders. I saw such a situation some days ago when I was going to market with my mother to buy some clothes. When we were on our way, we saw that in a street some children were playing cricket. One of them hit the ball with a huge force and the ball reached to someone's house. After that, the owner of the house came and he started scolding the children. He argued that he has already told children not to play cricket in the street as he gets disturbed while doing his work. Instead of agreeing with the owner, the children started arguing with him. They did not understand the point of view of the owner and they argued with him and used abusive words for him. Well, all of this was going on and my mother and me were watching this. We were astonished to see the manipulative behavior of children. Because of the noises coming out of street, many people gathered over there and one of the persons in the crowd went up to the house of children and he complained about their loud mouth and dogmatic behavior of children. The parents of children felt very ashamed, and I felt very bad about the situation, and at last I would say that children should learn how to behave with their elders.
Okay. It is time to ask the follow-up questions. What bad behavior do children usually have?
Usually children don't listen to their parents. They do not do the things which they are asked to do. They do not clean up their rooms, or they spend a lot of time on electronic gadgets such as mobile phones and
Why
computers.
so?
They do so because in today's world the parents are very lenient and they do not scold their children for doing wrong things.
Okay. How should parents stop their children from behaving badly at public?
Parents should teach their children about the right manner, how to behave when they are in public or when they are in someone's house.
How they can teach them?
They can teach them by telling what is wrong and what is right to do whenever you are at a public place.
What they can tell to their children not to do such things?
They can tell them that it is not right to behave badly in public or to do such things which are not tolerable.
They can explain these things by some methods.
Yes, there can be methods to explain. For example, they can tell them by telling stories, or they can explain them what is right and what is wrong to do.
Are parents these days stricter than in the past?
In my opinion, no. Parents are not stricter than they used to be in the past. Nowadays, parents are very lenient with their children. They do not scold them and they do not slap them. They may argue with them, but they are not so they are not so strict as they used to.
Why they are not so strict?
They are not so strict because they think that if they will scold the children, then they will become more stubborn.
Whose influence on children is more, parents or their friends nowadays?
In my opinion, whenever a child is at tender age, then there is more influence of parents. But whenever a child grows up or whenever he is an adolescent in his teen age, he is more influenced by his friends.
Why do you think so?
It is so because whenever we grow up, we are in our teen age, we spend more time with our friends in schools or at tuitions, so we get influenced by them.
Thank you, Seeraj. This is end of the test.